Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put yourself to a movie poster in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to go to the photo editor section since I want to edit my photo. And here, as you can see guys, I have downloaded a movie poster and I'm going to add my photo to this movie poster. I'm going to select this poster and I'm going to click on edit. Okay, and we can click on add photo and choose the photo that you want to add to your poster. Let's say that this is my photo and I'm going to add this photo to the poster. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background of this photo. We can click on Capcut and I'm going to choose this auto select, and the background will be removed automatically. Click on the check mark, and for example guys, I'm going to replace this actor with this photo. So I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to overlay this photo or this poster with the same poster. I'm gonna click on the add photo and I'm gonna import the same poster. Okay, and I'm gonna make it bigger and go to Capcut, and I'm gonna choose manual select. I'm just going to cut at this part guys. Oops. You can also erase it. I'm gonna reduce the size of the eraser. I need to zoom in. Alright, and I'm gonna click on this check mark and I'm going to fit the size. Okay, and I think it looks good guys, and to make it more realistic we can add folder. Just choose the best folder for your movie poster. Okay, and I think it looks good, and I'm gonna select this folder, click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Once you're ready to save this poster, you can click on export. Alright guys, and that's how we can put ourselves to a movie poster in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.